This video here is going to show everyone how to add an EKG to their report. In the report at the top, you'll see an EKG. You'll click that. Since we set our medic up as medic 1, it'll show all the medics that have been sent up to the cloud via the Zoll. If someone else and you need to switch to a different truck, you would click that arrow and scroll to find the engine that you're looking for or a different medic. To download the Zoll, you'll click this button here. It's going to get the case from the cloud. It'll download all the information. Remember, there is no undo send button, so make sure you are grabbing the correct Zoll monitor. It will import all of the procedures, vitals, and anything else that you put onto the Zoll. If you want to go and modify those, you would come over here to the right side and click the arrow. It'll take you into the power tool and show you all the information that had been put in by this Zoll. If you want to see what the Zoll monitor looked like, you would come to Provider Actions and EKG. It'll show you the EKGs that were imported. When you click that, it'll show you when the monitor was turned on. And it will also show you what 3 lead it ran.